Hi friends, welcome to Kiru Kids. Okay, so actually today is a nice day and one of you I missed you a lot because after a long time I'm seeing you also. That's why I'm really happy. So most of our schools have been reopened, so we are promoted to next class and also we could meet our new teachers, our friends, etc. So it was nice only, right? So not only that, we have a, as usual, we have a topic, then rhyme, then story, etc. So now let's go for a caller. Hello,
Hello,
what's your name?
Sachin.
Sachin. Hi, Sachin.
Hi,
How are you?
fine.
Your school reopened?
No,
No, on 6th, right?
yeah,
Yeah, okay. So, how was your day?
it was a good day.
Okay, so what did you do today?
I was simply in the home.
Simply in the home. Then, where's your sister?
She's here.
She is there?
Yeah,
Okay, say a hi to Shreya.
yeah.
Okay. So then,
How is Asha Andy?
yeah, nice only. She's busy in her work.
Okay,
Okay, so your family is nice, really, right?
yeah.
Okay. So you went to India?
No, I didn't go.
No, you didn't go, right? Okay.
Yeah.
So now let's move on to game.
Okay,
Okay. So which game do you want?
I'll play Atlas.
Okay.
Okay, start.
Okay. Who will start?
You start.
Okay. I'll start with S this time.
Okay.
Sweden.
Sweden, in Norway.
Norway. Y. Yemen.
Yemen in New York.
New York. K. Kenya.
Kenya in Andhra Pradesh.
Andhra Pradesh. H. Himachal Pradesh.
Himachal Pradesh, Holland.
Holland. D. Denmark.
D, Denmark, K, Kenya. No, not Kenya.
Kenya I have told.
Huh?
Yeah, you can say some place from India,
Okay,
right?
I'll say Kunnur.
Kannur or Kunnur?
Kannur.
Kannur. Okay. R. Russia.
Russia. A, Abu Dhabi.
Abu Dhabi. I. India.
India. A, Ain.
Alain. N. New York.
What?
New York.
New York told.
You have told? Okay. No, you told Norway.
No, New York.
Okay. Is this a April Fool?
No.
Okay. Netherlands.
Netherlands as Singapore.
Okay, that was a nice game.
Okay.
Okay, do you like the game?
Yeah.
Okay, then have a nice day, Sachin.
Okay, bye.
Bye. Okay. So it was Sachin who called us. He, as usual, he likes to play Atlas and he played Atlas. Okay, so now basically every day we wear clothes, right? We always wear clothes. Like if you go to school, you wear uniform, or if you go outside, you will wear a casual outfit and you'll go out. So same way, so there is like we all wear clothes, and if we have to know about it, how it is made and all, so which material, how it is transformed to cotton or something like that. Okay, now there are different types of clothes, each have its own texture. So fiber to fabric. Fiber is which you get from plants or animal, etc. So fiber, and it will be changed to fabric. So we'll be telling more about it. But first, let's move on to the history of clothing. Okay, as 30,000 years ago, people used to, they use animal skins for clothing. Okay, so now before moving into more information, now let's go for a caller. Hello,
Hello.
what's your name?
Ashmita.
Ashmita. Hello,
Hello.
what's your name?
Ashmita.
Ashwita.
Ashvika.
Ashvika. Okay. Hi, Ashvika.
Hi.
Which grade you are in?
Third.
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 Okay. Which school?
Our own.
Our own English High School. Dubai or Sharjah?
Sharjah.
Sharjah. Okay. So your school have reopened today, right?
Yeah.
Okay. How was it?
It was great.
Okay. Who's your this year's class teacher?
That's me, ma'am.
Sorry?
That's me.
Okay. So you like her?
Yeah.
Okay. So now your class is shuffled or something like that?
No.
No. Okay. So all same friends, right?
Yeah.
Okay. So Ashvika,
Yeah.
which is your favorite subject?
English.
English. Why do you like English?
Because it's so easy.
Because it's so easy. Okay, as you like English, can you tell a rhyme or something?
Okay, I know an English song.
Okay, sing.
Okay. It's mixed up, okay? With Hindi and English.
Okay, that's fine.
Hey, yeah, oh, you walk into the door, hey, yeah, by walk. You look across the star, hey, yeah, I can't to tell you how I feel, hey, yeah, oh, baby, Yanni, one for me.
Over? Hello?
Finish.
Finished? Okay, that was a wonderful song. Hello?
Hello?
So, okay, you like the song, right?
Yeah.
And I like this song. So, can you tell what's the song's name?
Hey, yeah, oh.
Hey, okay. So, Ashvika,
Yeah.
why don't we go for a game now?
Okay.
Okay, which game?
What do you have?
Okay, I have GK, tongue twister, riddle, spelling, sentence, dictionary, memory game, and connection.
Spelling.
Spelling, okay. Okay, you're in grade 3, right?
Yeah.
Okay, can you say me the spelling of address?
Address.
Yeah.
ADERESS.
Yeah, it's a correct spelling.
Okay.
Okay, so it was a nice game, right?
Yeah.
Is the spelling was easy?
Yeah.
Okay, then I'll give you one more spelling, real easy.
Okay.
Say me the spelling of book.
BOOK.
Okay, book. Easy, right?
Yeah.
Okay, so you like the game?
Yeah.
Okay. So, so you liked today's call and all?
Yeah.
Okay. So, your first time calling in the show?
What?
Your first time calling in the show?
No.
No. Okay. You have called many times before?
Yeah.
Okay. So, Ashwika, bye.
Bye.
Okay. So it was Ashwika who called us. She played games with us. Then she sang a song, etc. Okay. So now let's move to caller again. Hello.
Hello.
What's your name?
Sia.
Shreya.
Sia.
Sia. Okay. Hi Sia.
Hi.
How are you?
Fine.
Okay. Then how's your day?
Good.
Okay. Your school reopened?
No, tomorrow.
Tomorrow. Okay. So which school you are in?
Indian school, Alvarka.
Indian school Alvarka. Okay, in Alvarka there's a school like that?
Alvarka.
Alvarka.
Vatba.
Okay, fine. I thought it's Varka. Okay, and I was hearing a new information. Okay, so so tomorrow you have your new backpack and all, right?
Yeah.
Okay, so you are ready to show your friends.
Yeah.
Okay, so you have any idea who's your teacher?
No.
No. Okay, so when you go to this class only you will know who will be a teacher, right?
Yeah.
Okay. So you're waiting for it.
Yeah.
Okay. So, Sia,
Yeah.
which grade you're going to promote it to?
7th.
7th. Okay. So you're going to promote it to 7th. Okay. So now let's go on to a game.
Yeah.
Okay. Which game?
Tongue twister.
Tongue twister. Okay. I was thinking that she'll take tongue twister and you took tongue twister. Okay. Okay. Say the tongue twister. I scream, you scream, we all scream for ice cream.
Ice cream.
I scream, scream something like that.
You.
I scream, you scream.
You scream.
Yeah, I scream, you scream, we all scream for ice cream.
We all.
Scream for
Scream.
ice cream. You know ice cream?
Yeah.
Yeah, okay. Okay, say this 3 times.
Scream. For. Okay, wait. I scream. You scream. We all scream for ice cream.
Yeah,
I scream. You scream. We all scream for ice cream.
fast.
I scream, you scream, we all scream for ice cream.
Two-
I scream, you
two more times.
scream, we all scream for ice cream. I scream, you scream, we all scream for ice cream.
Okay, wow. It's a easy tongue twister, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, but I'm not an expert in tongue twisters. So whenever I say one word, my tongue will, of course, twist away. So I can't say all these tongue twisters. Okay. So Sia, you like the game?
Yeah.
Okay, then have a nice day, Sia.
Thank you.
Okay, best of luck for your new year and all. I mean your new academic year. Okay, Sia, then bye. Okay, that was Sia who called us now. Okay, when this wool is used as 6,000 years ago. Really, old. Domestication of silk is occurred in China, and in before 3000 BC. It is used like for their clothing and all. That time silk was, they used to catch silk worms and they used to do anything. So now you can see a picture changes in clothing past to present. You can see olden days they were wearing, animal skins and all. Now the one person is wearing shorts, then the shirt and all. Okay, so that's a very big difference. So there are many stages also. So in India, this cotton came into a widespread use around 3000 BC only. So like now also we all are using cotton, and you can also check which texture is your t-shirt is like cotton or silk or etc. Okay, so there are many textures and all like jute and all. Okay, so now we move to the fiber to the fabric. Fiber to fabric means fiber is a thin strands of thread which is used to make fabric, woven fabric. So now like there are cotton fabric, silk fabric, etc. Now all these fabric will come to clothes. Like if the cotton fabric, if it is stitched, it will turn to which one, cotton frock or cotton kurta or whatever you are stitching it. Okay, not only that, in olden days people used to just simply wrap the animal skin around their body. They used to not stitch and all, but nowadays we stitch the clothes and wear. But nowadays also sari, dupatta and turban are also there, which are used as unstitched clothes only. So that's a big difference. So now let's go for a caller. Hello. Hello. Okay, I guess the call have dropped. Okay, so let's move back to our topic. So as I was saying, okay, I guess the caller have came again. Okay. Hello.
Hello.
What's your name?
Cinta.
I didn't get your name.
Cinta.
Cinta.
Sinta.
Sinta, okay. Hi Sinta,
Hi.
how are you?
Fine.
Which grade you are in?
7th.
7th. So you just turned to 7th or you are going to 8th?
I am in 7th.
Okay. So today your school reopened?
No, tomorrow.
Tomorrow. Okay. Which school you are in?
Indian school Albarba.
Okay. So that was your friend who called you now?
That was my twin sister.
Okay, that's your twin sister.
Yeah.
Okay. So so that's a good news, okay, because I was thinking, okay, same school only and same class, so I thought you were friends. Okay. So what are your hobbies?
Reading books.
Reading books. So what about your sister?
Same. Reading books.
Okay. Don't you sing?
Sorry. Next time I will say.
Next time you should sing.
Okay.
Okay. So so who's your best friend?
I'm in new school.
Okay, so you're going to new school?
Yeah.
Okay, which school? You're going to this school, right? Indian school.
Yeah.
Okay, so before you was in which school?
Modern school.
Modern school. Okay. So so today actually the schools have opened and for new admissions, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah, so I thought, everyone's in your school will, they are all students on second only their school will reopen. So I thought like that. So, okay. So which game do you want to play?
Which all games are there?
I have GK, riddles, sentence making, dictionary, connection, memory game.
Riddles.
Riddles, okay. Okay, I don't think this riddle will be little tricky, okay? I don't think it will be easy.
Okay.
But it's your responsibility to, think tricky and answer.
I will try my best.
Okay. What did one maths book said to the another maths book? Like there are two maths book and one said to, what did one textbook said to the another textbook?
Sorry, I didn't understand.
Okay. See, what did one maths book, maths book, right? Mathematics book. Okay, one textbook said to the another mathematics book.
Can you give a clue?
Okay. Actually, what do all these textbooks have? What do it contains?
What do it contain?
Yeah, what is the content of it? Like, there are many things, right?
Pages?
No. That's not the one. See, little tricky and it's so funny also when you.
Problem.
What you said?
Problems?
Correct answer.
Thank you.
See, if they say to one maths book, say to the another maths book, I have many problems. Actually, what you mean by? I have many problems.
Oh,
So that's why I told you. Once if you answer, it will be really funny.
okay.
Okay. So I guess you are a little tricky, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's why you could answer all these riddles. Okay. So, I thought you would not be able to answer, so, but at last you answered. However, okay. So that was the first time experience that this much tricky a person can think. Okay. So, Sinta, right?
Yeah.
Okay, Sinta. Okay, bye.
Bye.
Okay, there was Cinda who called us. She answered a really tricky riddle. So now let's move on back to the topic. Okay, so there are two main processes of making fabric to fiber. Like fiber to fabric, because there are two main processes that are weaving and knitting. So now we can see two pictures of weaving and knitting. Okay, weaving involves making fabric to fiber by arranging two sets of yarn. Okay, you know there are two sets of yarn, something like thread only. Then it is done by using a machine called loom. It can be either hand operated or power operated. Okay, like you know, it can be like if they put a switch and all, it can be either power operated, then it will work automatically, or you know with the hand they make looms. So now you know when you go to shop and all, they will say that okay, here's a handloom sari. Okay, so and it's really costly. So what's the speciality of it? Because nowadays most of our clothes are stitched with the which one, machine loom. So hand loom is really special, and it have its own speciality. So I don't know many things about it, but like you know it have its own way of making and all. So now you can see natural fibers on there. So cotton, silk, jute, wool, linen, etc. So I'll be speaking about it later, but now we have to speak about knitting. Knitting involves making fabric by forming a two sets of loops connecting two sets of loops. It can be a machine or needle. It can be either made by a machine or a needle. Okay, so now natural and synthetic fibers. So what are these natural and synthetic fibers? You can see many clothes. Okay, so before that let's go for a collar.